you're starting up. Okay, this is a brief video on how to fit a gate gas spring. The most important thing is to get this bracket here mounted solidly to the post. In an ideal world, this dimension from the pin centre to the centre line of the hole should be 100mm, and from the pin centre to the optimum hole should be 120. We haven't quite achieved that here because this is a mobile model and we don't have brickwork to achieve the dimensions that we want. So the first operation that we need to do is to take the gas strut, undo the nuts on the end and loosely drop it through. Now with the gate in the closed position, if you fit the bracket in the orientation that you want and simply offer this up to the member that it's due to attach to. If you now mark your hole centres through the bracket, you can then take it away, drill and tap in this position, and you know that the strut is going to fit as intended. We've already got a bracket on here, so I'm not going to use the bracket that I've just shown you, but you can now imagine that if you've drilled and tapped here, you can have your bracket on there, and just like this one, this is where the gas strut is going to fit. So having done that, we drop one end through the post end and loosely attach a nut and washer to stop the strut from jumping out. We then fit the other end. It may be a little bit tight. The easiest way to get around this is to just put it in the hole, compress it slightly, and now, as you can see, it drops in nicely. A nut on the other end, and we're done. Now, we test the gate, and that seems a little bit stiff. So what we need to do is now vent the gas from the strut. This is easily done by taking the body end and unscrewing the fitting. Taking the correct adjuster tool, we now loosely screw this on the end, and listening carefully, we let small amounts of gas out at a time. Now screwing the end back on, we refit to the post. And we rinse and repeat until we get the optimum gate closing. When everyone's happy with the rate that we've achieved, simply tighten up both nuts underneath, and there we have it.